Hey everyone, this is Robin Duncan, and in this video, I'd like to share what happened in my first EFT session. It was a private session with a lovely couple that I had met at a dinner party. And as we sat down together, they had asked me to come up with a list of things that were still bothering me over my life period, that things that were still on my mind. Maybe they were traumas or things that didn't go so well or situations where I felt powerless. So I made a quick list of things that we could work on together. I know one of those things was about a feeling of loss of confidence. And I really had no idea where that had occurred because as a child, I was a 4.0 student. I was straight A all the way. I loved school. I always felt good, always felt confident. But somehow when I got into my adult life, that confidence that I knew at that deeper level, it was gone. And you wouldn't see it from the outside, but I could certainly feel it on the inside. And as we started tapping and using EFT on this idea of a loss of confidence, well, all of a sudden, I got a picture in my mind, and it took me back about 18 years to an event where I had made a decision, and that decision went very, very badly. And by the next day, I was shown, even in this vision I was given, that I had made a decision against myself, that I had decided that somewhere my own decision-making was not reliable. And so from that point forward, my confidence had been shaken, and I never understood until that moment how it happened from that particular experience. And then we were able to apply the tapping on that causal event. And wouldn't you know that my confidence returned right there in that one session. And after that time, I can tell you that my confidence never left again. So I have this tool to share with you. I have an EFT with the Source Technique class coming up very soon. I'd love to show you how this works. But even more importantly, I'd love to show you how when you use EFT tapping and you apply it to the root cause of the problem, sometimes you go back decades to that root cause, but I'm going to show you how to find that root cause and how to tap on that particular experience. While you're doing that, you are releasing those triggers that might have been holding you back for years and years. You will feel the difference from the inside out. So we'll talk more about that in our next video. Bye for now.